Angry Nigerians staged protests in Abuja over the outcome of the just concluded presidential and national assembly elections.
INEC chairman must be fired. Yes. INEC chairman must be fired. Yes. INEC use the beavers, the beavers. INEC use the beavers, the beavers. INEC use the beavers, the beavers. INEC use. Our vote for Moscato, Moscato. Oh yes. Our vote Moscato, Moscato. Our vote Moscato. That's it. Oh yes. Our vote Moscato, Moscato.
But as we go in this very spot, should our message not be adhered to, behind us is where the fraudulent collation is taking place. This is the National Fraudulent Collation Center, where we have Professor Mahmood Yakub and all the other people. Tomorrow, we are calling on the old, the young, the obedient movement across Nigeria to occupy every INEC office. And in this place, we are going to be here by 9 a.m. in the morning. What they haven't seen before, much more than the 1 million march, they are going to see it here tomorrow.
Yes.
Should they not heed to this call, we are calling on everybody to be here by 9 a.m. tomorrow. And the will of the people will be seen in their character.
Yes.
This is what we are saying. And we're going to continue to be here until this coalition is suspended.